For 6 months, this cat sat in the same spot every single day. People at the train station thought she was just a stray. But every morning at 8, she'd sit by the bench and wait. Rain or shine, winter or heat, she never missed a day. Gosh, one old man finally asked the shopkeeper, "Why does she wait there?" The shopkeeper sighed. "Her owner used to board a train here. One day he never came back." What no one knew, the man had passed away 6 months ago. But the cat never gave up. She kept believing. Sometimes loyalty outlives love, and even the smallest hearts wait the longest.